Hey everyone, so I just wanted to jump on here real quick and give you an update as to where I'm at with stuff. I just finished up doing the chicken coop as you saw in the last series of videos. I'm currently just finishing up a project. It's going to be a collaboration project between myself and Roy over at Clovota Milling and Signs. I'll put a link to his channel in the description down below. He did some stuff, sent me some stuff. I'm working with it. That project will be done in the next few days. Things have slowed down a little bit for me here. You'll notice I'm wearing sunglasses. It's not because it's excessively bright out. It is nice and sunny, but I have sunglasses on because I damaged my cornea doing some cleaning work. I got something in my eye, I rubbed it, and then it was abrasive against my cornea and scratched it. And so it's going to take a little bit for it to heal. Hopefully in the next few days I'll be able to get back to putting my hands in front of saw blades. So that will be coming up very soon, but I will be able to finish this other project I'm doing without any problems even now. So I am working on that. We'll be soon getting back to the sawmill. You'll notice in the background the storage for the lumber has collapsed and needs to be replaced. So my next project coming up, rather than building a shed, I'm going to be building a solar kiln for storing the lumber in to dry. And I'm also going to probably add some heat to it so I can run a sanitation cycle on the wood. So then that will allow me to get rid of the bugs a lot easier without having to treat it with chemicals, so which I would much rather do. So I'm going to be working on that. If you're interested in seeing another channel that's building a solar kiln, really nice job he's doing over there, check out Fall Line Ridge. I'll put a link to his channel down below. I've been watching his videos and it's coming out great. Really like what he's doing over there. He's doing a great job. So definitely go over and check him out if you're interested in seeing. He's got a sawmill, he's building a solar kiln, everything's coming out great. So I'm hoping to do something very much like what he's doing there, except at some point I'm probably going to add some additional heat to it, like I said, for that sanitation cycle, so I can kill all the bugs and everything in the wood. And other than that, that's pretty much everything I got going on right now. That's going to be the immediate future. I do have a little bit of work to do on my backhoe so I can be a little bit more efficient with that, but I'll share all that with you later. I just wanted to give you an update of where I'm at. This little injury here slowed me down just a little bit, so I haven't put on any videos yet this week, but I at least wanted to put that out and let you know. I do have a schedule that I plan on starting back up with the live streams. As a lot of people on this channel here know, I've been doing a lot of work down in Massachusetts at my father's house. Well, as of last night, we had a signed purchase and sales agreement, so the house is going to be sold very soon. And actually, I have no need to be going back down there to do anything down there, so I'm going to be able to focus a lot of that time that I was spending there, here doing all these things. So I'm very excited about that. Once the house sells, there's going to be an amazing amount of stuff that I'm going to be doing around here, and I really hope you guys stick around and stay tuned for that, because I am really excited about it, and I hope you guys are too. I have a lot of things that I want to show you, share with you, and I think you'll really like it. And especially if you're into doing this stuff and you're looking to do any of these things, definitely stay tuned, stay subscribed. If you're not subscribed already, hit the subscribe button down below, hit the bell icon, make sure you're going to be notified of any future videos that I put out. And I know this video is just more of an update, but it does help us out if you hit that like button down below. I'd really appreciate it. Stick around. I'm going to see you within the next few days. I'll give you some more updates on schedules for the live videos. It's going to be probably the first Friday of every month, probably 8, 9 o'clock at night for about an hour or so. If you do want to do a live video this weekend with me, my wife and I, Stacy, will be on our homestead channel doing a live chat, just hanging out with her and I, and you know, of course the kids will probably jump in the background. But I will see you in a bit. Have a great day, have a great weekend if I don't see you before then. Talk to you soon. Take care. Over and out. Hasta la vista. Sayonara. Ciao.